Always keep it G. I trade a nigga from the streets. If you know about it, better trade it to the beat. Yeah.
Bet I wake up in the morning, check my trades and toss my phone. Every day is trader die, so keep the numbers out the wall. Keep the linen in the sheets, up in the yard while hanging close. Every time the cameras flash, that's another million sold. Bet I wake up in the morning, check my trades and toss my phone. Every day is trader die, so keep the numbers out the wall. Keep the linen in the sheets, up in the yard while hanging close.
It's loading.
Yeah, 33 people on. Your music is playing.
But it's not showing me.
It's showing you.
That's fucking weird. Yo, so
Time the cameras flash, that's another
all right, so
million sold.
I don't know what's going on with this new YouTube shit. They really need to fix their whole live streaming shit. They're trying some new shit. We don't want the new shit right now. We still like the classic streaming. They just kind of force like whatever this shit is on us. Like I can't even see my back end right now. So I know Team YouTube be watching. Fix that shit, bro. Like you really fucked up our live streaming. I like streaming through Restream. The reason I like that is because I like being on multi-platform. So this kind of fucks it up for me being on multi-platform. So yeah, Team YouTube, you need to fix that back end, bro, for sure. But let's get right into this shit. Fucking YouTube with my live streaming. I can't even see my comments and shit. Like, yo, wherever you guys from, go ahead and comment that shit in the comment section. I mean, if y'all can see y'all comments, I guess you good. You feel me? And then shit. Let's get it. So the market this week, it's been an interesting week. We hit highs this week and we hit some crazy correction as well. All right. So a lot of people, shit, you got afraid on the drop. You know what I mean? Oh man, the market's dropping. It is what it is. You know what I mean? So if you've been rocking with me on Twitch, then I mean you would have been pretty much catching everything, all the up-to-date moves and stuff like that. If you want to catch all the up-to-date moves, I go live on Twitch Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and that's where you can go ahead and catch me at, and you can see what's good. You feel me? You can really get cracking like that. But nah, for sure. I know TRADDEEE was going crazy this entire week, man. This Discord has been fire as well. You feel me? I'm on the first page. A lot of people, what website are you on? I'm on the first page of TradingView. All right, so for the new people on here, this website is called TradingView. I like using this website because it's really good to get like an outlook on the market, you know? The reason I like doing the weekly analysis is because I just really you know, I like to look at the market and kind of know where it's going for the week and then go on with my week. You know what I mean? But with this new Twitch shit, it kind of forced me to like get in there and ride with the people and get cracking with the folks at TRADDEEE and the community of TRADDEEE. You know what I mean? And get popping like that. So if you have been eating this week, go ahead and put some money bags in the chat as well. But let's get cracking. So we're gonna go over to gold, right? We'll go over to gold. So on Twitch, I told you guys to buy gold at, I think it was around 1919, 1920. Now gold is up to 1934 and we should be getting back to that 2000 soon. Okay, so we'll go over to gold, look more into it and shit like that. You probably like, what do you mean? Hey, he calls out signals on Twitch? Yeah, go to Twitch and you might see what's good. You feel me? So let's erase this. Boom, erase everything. I'll go to the daily, show you guys why we gave that out, all right, and how you can get cracking. So gold right now, right, when we're talking structure, when you're talking market and you want to know where we're at, once again, first I'm on the daily chart of gold. For those who don't know, you like, what chart is he on? I'm on the daily chart. All right, I'm on the daily chart. All right, so what I look for, right, is zones. And what this zone right here is telling me, I'm gonna go ahead and put this little box right here. Okay, this is just a rectangle. It's a rectangle until I call it a demand zone. Some people put a fucking what's that called, a support here, just one line here, but you can do either or. You can put a rectangle or you can put a line, or you can just use your eyes, whichever way you want it to look. You know what I mean? So boom, here we are. This is a fire ass demand zone. So when I told everybody to buy in, it was like 1919, 1920. Price got really, really low and it was just in this demand zone. So what you need to see here, right? We get right into it. Like I said, we was getting right into it, is look at all of the wicks. Okay, how many times just in this zone, how many times, if I can push this box up a little bit too, just to, you know, add more wicks and get more power out of it, just to further explain my analysis, right? How many times did the wicks bounce against that little zone or this box? Okay, you got to ask yourself, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, If I moved it up a little bit more and got it a little bit more on there, I could probably get more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Feel me? So 13 times out of that area, which makes that a strong ass demand zone. So price should be flying up to the top side. Where gold should be going is back to 2,000 plus. All right, back up here first in this little area first. So that's like 1972, 1982. Some people would be taking profits here, and I mean, some people will, especially the scalpers, and then others will let that price keep on rising, and then they'll let price get on up to here. Okay, some people will take profits here as well. We should get a little pullback once price gets to its highest again, because, you know, buy low, sell high. All right, so your face is in the way. Okay, now it's not. All right, buy low, sell high, you know. So some people will short here, drop down a little bit, and, you know, we should be seeing some highs with gold. Shit, I guess probably in the next few weeks. Okay, I wish I could see my comments, bro. This is crazy. Like, I truly wish I could see my comments. But as long as y'all can vibe and see me, that's really all that matters. Let me see. Maybe I gotta like watch myself on YouTube, and then I'll be able to see my comments. It's crazy. Okay, I don't know. YouTube.com/. There we go. All right, for sure, for sure. I'm like, what the fuck? Because I can't see nothing, bro. I gotta use this to get it like this. All right. What time does the market open on Sunday? It's not opening until this Sunday. It shouldn't. If it does, then let that shit go. I already got two dislikes already. I love the energy. Oh, man. You gonna really dislike when I pull up on your ass in a yacht, though. You feel me? That's what you're gonna dislike. You ain't even got a chance to dislike me yet. Just wait. He said the views busted through the ceiling. We're gonna get it cracking though. But let's do it. So we're gonna move from gold. All right, we'll go over to we can go to Bitcoin if you want. We can go to dollar index. Let's move to dollar index. All right. All right, so I explained to you what was going on over here. I don't know why it's not letting me move. All right, oh, there we go. There we go. So I'm on the daily. All right, I'm on the daily. I'm on the daily. Hey, 2 more dislikes. Hey, we have 4 now. Ooh, I'm pissing niggas off this morning. Ooh, I pissed 4 people off this morning. How many more people could we piss off? Let's get it. It's probably, I already know who it is. Let's get it. But nah, this is DXY, right? So on this 4-hour, we do have a piercing line. Now, if you don't know your candlesticks, right? If you don't know your candlesticks, that fucking sucks. Now, you know, smash that dislike button, because I know you don't like cursing. You know what I mean? Some of y'all are not ready. You feel me? Some people don't like cursing. Some people don't like money, but I don't really give a fuck. Who cares? You feel me? Let's get it though. All right. Check the 3-hour. It still looks a tad bit bullish, right? Like the dollar index could keep pushing up, and possibly it's a possibility. Although I want to show you that it is in that range, though. It is in that range, right? It is in that range. Here we are again, once again at these wicks. You're like, well, the wicks don't mean anything. And what's cool is like, that's cool that you don't believe that the wicks mean anything. Maybe you can't read, you feel me? So what you need to do, I got free videos on my page. This video called Understanding Japanese Candlesticks for you newbies out there who are just getting started, don't really know shit about Forex. You can definitely go you know, jump into that video. But I will tell you one thing about your journey in this foreign exchange game. Like, you will have to put in the work. A lot of you want some cookie cutter shit. Like, you think this is I don't know what you think, you know what I mean? But that's the thing, you think too much. Don't come in the game thinking. We don't need you to bring your brain. You just need to be able to read. That's it. Can you see? Yes or no? You know what I mean? So that's when you come into the game, that's what you need, that's the mindset you need to have, and that's how you get it cracking, and then that's how you adapt. You feel me? But dollar index. So here we are in this little supply zone. Okay. Also, we were on the downish channel, like a bearish channel. You said downish. You could be hawkish. I mean, not hawkish. It could be dovish. That's what I'm going to say. Not downish. Dovish. What dovish is the same thing as bearish. So it's like hawkish is like bulls. You feel me? And then dovish is like bears. So it's just, you know, stock market terms or whatever. But it's like a dovish channel or a bearish channel. Okay. So it's just still inside of that channel. It's giving us a spinning top, but it's peculiar where the spinning top is actually spinning at. So it's like a game, you know, it gets to the boom, it hits the top of this little resistance and then turns into a spinning top. It's just peculiar in that area, just boom, it's spinning. So it's showing indecisive. So could the dollar get stronger and continue to push back up, go back to 93? Yeah, it could, you know, it could, and possibly get to like 93.50. That's a possibility, right? That's if it continues going. That's if it continues going, right? 93.50, 93.60, that's in this area. That's in this area. I'll zoom up and show you again. All right, that's in this area. Damn, somebody spamming. You say, yo, Tyre, your thumbnail fire. We going super saiyan in these markets. Yo, appreciate that. Appreciate that. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. I gotta go ahead and write this shit on Twitter too. Live on YouTube. Shout out to y'all donating already. Y'all already running up the shit too. You feel me? So appreciate everybody who's tuned in. We get the music and stuff cracking. We're gonna get over to that Nasdaq, but I really wanted to knock out gold first, just because, I mean, you know, gold is my pair. I really fuck with gold. And then I wanted to knock out DXY, and then we'll get over NAS. We go all into the currencies. We do currencies later, as you know, but let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. And shout out to everybody who's tapped in, man. Shit, what's you guys' favorite instrument to trade? And the reason I say instrument and not necessarily pair, because I mean, it's different instruments. Like Bitcoin USD is a different instrument than DXY. It's a different instrument than XPX, you know, 500. It's a different instrument than US 30. It's a different instrument than oil. Like, you know what I mean? So what do you like trading? He said the hoodie came in clutch, fam. It's cold over here. Hell yeah. Hey, and then what's dope is check the website tomorrow morning. We got some surprise drops coming. Shit. Like, it took me a minute to find the material to get this one shit done. So, you know, it's gonna cost a little bit extra, but it's gonna be definitely worth it. You're gonna be like, what the fuck? Like, I dropped it in my admin chat. They gonna hella fuck with it. You feel me? Trust me. Trust me. Y'all gonna be out here with the new shits like, okay. But nah, we got some shit though. Got some shit. German 30s, US 30 gold. You made some good money off pound yen and gold. Easy call. AU, same thing as indexes. Trade or die. US 30. What's going on? Dirty 30. Yo, what up, Ty? What's up? Tell the family hi. Yo, roses are red, say hi. Let's get it. All right, so this DXY, right? So where it should complete. And then my boy showed me how to do this shit yesterday. I just don't remember how to do was it like copy chart or some shit? Maybe somebody had tell me in the chat, or he was like, press this. It was a snapshot. Fuck. Oh, there it was. I remember. Boom. Damn, I don't remember. Well, I know he's gonna hit me up like, this how you do it, bro. So if I could do it by, oh no, found it. Boom. All right, so. There we go. I don't know if it's gonna float back in there like that, but possibly like this, some swings. So that's just saying the market really just dropping from this little resistance, right, to the downside. Boom, coming out of that little supply zone, bang, pushing back up, possibly breaking back through, you know, to the top side. Boom, coming back down to this zone. Boom. And I know it's not going to be perfectly like this, you know, it's not going to be perfectly like this, you know what I mean? But yeah, he said a ghost clone indicator, bro. Once the nigga showed me that, he was like, bro, this how you do it? I'm like, oh, it's a wrap, bro. Like, I can finally do what I do. You know what I mean? Let's get it. All right, so easy call, right? All right, so let's move on. We did gold, we did DXY. All right, now let's go to that NAS. Let's go to that NAS. That shit cracking for the one time. Somebody said go fund yourself. Oh, what up, yo face? What's the deal, G?
Hey, yo, Kizzy, what the fuck?
Man, shit, bro. Keep sending these tracks through. Hey, make sure you guys share the feed, share the feed, share the feed.
Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go.
So this was my markup for Nasdaq.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack that. Fill up the tank, amass that.
So you asked me.
Run up the rope, that's a big back. Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack. Fill up the tank, amass. bitch. Run up the wealth back. Bitch, niggas capping, acting like they rich. Okay, cool, swerving through the lane on 26. Hey yo, big business, buy some land, make a big flip. Say less. You on them currencies, just a little tip. NAS 100, that's some big shit. US 30-yard profits had a double flip. Hit pound versus the dollar on the back end. Hey, pool run, baby, so I'm back in. I see it, learn, turn, code the facts in. Then we package up the Gouda, move the packs in. Okay, now slice the cheese up, out of land with it. Withdraw it. Then you sandwich it. That's right. Get it out the mud with rubber bands and work the plans. Leave it up to ops and they'll fuck your other hand. Keep your eyes open and keep your eyes on your sand. Time always moving, so you better keep the fan. Always check the eyes and they posture and they stance. Creeping through the lane in the Rory, ain't no plane, ain't no sorry, ain't no shaking hands. You already had the chance to the parter. Sliding through the pockets, taking profits out with chargers. So who really own you to get your back in?
What's really good?
Niggas never been a boss, but talking pack shit. Alright, you don't even own your own masters, that's a bad plan. Nigga, fuck you talking about? Get a mask, man. Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack that.
Smash that like button, smash that like button.
That bitch, run up the wealth, that's a big back. Nasdaq.
Wait. You said the trend line is crap? Okay, let me turn the trend line off then. Let me turn the trend line off then. Let me show you. Oh, that must be one of the brokers. Oh, we gonna clean your motherfucking ass out. We gonna clean your ass out. That's what we really gonna do. This trend line gonna be crap, but it's gonna be the one that's gonna clean your ass out. What's good?
Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack. Fill up the tank, amass. Bitch, run up the wealth back. I wake up, life is different and I see the views. All
right, let's get it. Let's get right into this for the brokers though. Nasdaq to 14K by January, right? Market already corrected. Tech companies still producing. We're moving into a more digital age. The times are changing. Market's still bullish overall. Yes, they are. They still are bullish overall. So you know what we keep doing. You feel me? Let's get it. You said people say it's gonna crash every week. Yeah, that's if you listen to the TV. You feel me? But the thing is, see, Trade Gang is a little bit different. I know something about y'all. See, I learned y'all how to read. You feel me? I learned y'all how to read. So y'all should know how to read, man. You guys should definitely know how to read. And I mean, that's the thing. You know what I mean? If you can't read, then you can't succeed. I know. You know. It said Trade Gang tack coming soon, Forex tack coming soon. What time frame? This the daily. So I could go ahead and delete all this if this make it more simpler. Now my other people may be thinking, oh, it may crash again. Okay, look, price already hit like, what was that, 11 or 10.9 or some shit like that. The low, like right here, boom. So we already got a crazy ass correction. Now we're not in a bear market, right? We're not in a bear market. So I mean, the thing is, the market's not just gonna go up and keep going up without a crash, or not necessarily a crash, but without a correction. You know what I mean? That's just like life though. Like, okay, you're gonna have all these good days and then boom, you gotta have a bad day. You know, it's just the balance of like the good and the bad. You know, it's just a balance. Like you know, so it's just, that's what it is. And then also, what's cool about this, right? What's cool about this is like, do you believe in technology? Look, if you're watching this on a cell phone, then you believe in technology. If you pick up a cell phone to go on Instagram, then you believe in technology, right? Right? If you like video games or watching television or Netflix, then you believe in technology, right? Okay. So what I know about, you know, this, what I'm looking at right here, this index, this sector is shit, man. To be honest, like, it's a lot of technology, you know, helping this motherfucker move to the upside. So if you believe like I believe and we believe, then I mean, shit, really, that's why the market keeps going up, because people keep dumping their belief into it, and it's a monetary belief. So they're putting money into this shit, you know. So the fund is growing. Let's get it though. Let's get it. You said I fuck with you. Now I'm about to go ahead and put the trend line back on. I know, you know. Oh, let me, so cause I'm sorry, you gotta read it without the shit. So let's look at it on a monthly. Okay, so we got our retest. But I'm looking at this company right here, right? I'm sorry, it's the Nasdaq. Looking at this company right here, it looks like shit, man. You know, they've been doing well for the past, what, since 03? Yeah, they've been doing well since 03. Okay, a little bit of gain. Okay, in 08, we know we had that little crash in 08. Okay, it was a little crash back in 08, you know. Remember, who remembers this right here? Well, other than that, I mean, we've been in the up and up, right? We just been going up sturdy over the months, over the years, just sturdy, not really, you know what I mean? And here we go with one of these 08s again, you know, just a little bit of, you know, a little bit of correction or whatever. Now let's get back on track with what's really going on. Let me put my little funky ass trend line on there, and I'm gonna just keep following it. And this still little ghost indicator type shit right there. It's not necessarily an indicator. It just lets you copy your charts and, you know, drag it over. So that's really all I did, and you know, that's what I feel like the market is gonna do. Yeah, I can move this around and, you know, do whatever I want to, but I just, you know, feel like it's gonna sit right up in here, you know, and just keep going. Hit his highs and hit his lows. Try to retest and keep moving his way on up, because that's how that shit go. All right. Yeah, well, we getting cracking, and we almost at that. That's what's up. But y'all need to smash that like button though. If you're in here, you watching this, you need to go ahead and smash that like button. We about to move on. We're gonna switch. We're gonna switch indexes. All right, in a mink coat. Let's run that. We're definitely gonna switch them indexes, man, and you know, make it happen.
And I make coke. And I make coke. And I make coke.
Izzy, you go hard.
And I make coke. Trading and I make coke. And Versace rolls, young and out of control.
And then I was gonna answer that. I answer your question, Richard. You said, Ty, bro, look at what angle is trending up. It has to come down to get more sustainable growth. I mean, shit. And the thing is, it could, bro. You feel me? Like, who's to say no? But then, like, at the end of the day, you think that it's just you in the market that's moving shit, bro. This is the motherfucking money game at the end of the day. I'm not about to get deep into this shit just because I'm not about to even go there. But at the end of the day, it's a lot of people playing this game, bro. And before they let this motherfucker keep tanking, you know what I mean, they'll add more into companies like Kodak.
Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. And I mean coke, traded and I mean coke. And Versace rolls, young and out of control. Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. Ay, 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 ay. Forex too good every day and payday, wait day. Level on the way, that's just an S to the V to the J. Running around me, bitch, I stay with the J. Honey bring peace, bitch, I stay with respect. 100 degrees in the G to the max.
Smash that like
I'm
button.
in the D with the packs, little bitch. I got Forex tatted on my tempo. You can see it, sorry, but it's tenfold. Hang a line in the market, it's a list, bro. We in the field with two schools.
Bro, we be live trading every day, Monday through Friday on Twitch. Go to Twitch, bro.
Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. And I mean coke, traded and I mean coke. And Versace rolls.
Like, I fuck with YouTube, but I moved a lot of my YouTube family right over to Twitch. You feel me? Twitch is just, I mean, I'm about to get partnered with them soon, and you know, we just building. It's more catered towards the live shit, you know what I mean?
Pay his dividends from the movement. I need 10 million shares from the deal. I'm coolin'. The data in the market got a push from the student. This a Tyler stock tips on my list for improvement. Every time I speak a stock, check the charts, I'ma do it. If I tell that bitch to jump, then it jump. If I get pissed, we all selling that junk. 6'4" is the wave, then we crashing the book. We smashing these records, then smashing the funds. Ay, 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 ay. And I mean coke, trading and I mean coke. And Versace rolls, young and out of control. Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. And I mean coke, traded and I mean coke. And Versace rolls, young and out of control. Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. And I mean coke, ay, ay, ay. And I mean coke, ay, ay, ay. And I mean coke, ay, ay, ay. And I mean coke.
Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. All right, so check this out, check this out. So a lot of people, you look at this, like I said, I could take the trend line off, right? The only thing is there for is a guide for the people who cannot see where this shit is going. That's what it's for. Oh, okay, I see the line. I just follow the line. You know what I mean? Other than that though, literally you just gotta be able to look at this shit, read, you know what I mean? And see what's good. So let's put that trend back on there for the people who can't see, okay? But obviously, if you don't know anything about the SPX or Standard & Poor's or SPYs and shit like that, then I mean, shit, that's what it is. You said, what a horrible song? Bro, who gives a fuck, bro? Like, y'all get on here and just be on some hater shit. I'll slap any of you niggas, though, in real life. You won't run up on me. You feel me? So, at the end of the day, the reason I do this shit for free, I tell you like I tell everybody else, you feel me? Just because there's people who can't afford to learn this shit, you know what I mean? So it's like, why people out here bullshitting them, trying to sell them all this nut shit, like they could just come over here, come to me, and I'm gonna take care of you, bro. You say you wanna eat? Okay, well, let's get in the game. If this is really what you wanna do though, if this is really what you wanna do, if you wanna do some other shit, then you literally could go do that. But this right here, bro, this right here is trade or die over here. So you either gonna get with it or you not, you feel me? We not playing, bro. Go to the Discord where it's popping 34/7, you know what I'm saying? 9 days a week. So if this is what you want to do, then you're gonna be here. You feel me? But if not, you're not ready for this life. You not. And what you need to do, shit, keep flipping the burgers, you know what I'm saying, at them spots until you wake the fuck up and it's, oh man, niggas out here getting money. Oh, I want to go live like that. Okay, we'll go do it. Or you gonna stay where you at? You feel me? Ain't nobody playing with you. Markets are closed on the weekend. Hey, I should have worn my markets are closed shirt, huh? But nah, join me on Twitch though. I'm gonna see you though. Monday through Friday, I got gas for everybody. It was really good. Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. was really good. Motherfucking general, nigga. Stop playing with me in these motherfucking markets. What's really good? Monday through Friday, 8 through 10, nigga, and we really with it. And the old shit is there and the new shit is coming. Boom, XPX. So what you don't know is, look, when you're looking at the Standard & Poor's, you need to go do research on everything that you're investing money into. So if you're investing bread into this and you're looking to trade something like this, you need to go do research on what the fucking Standard & Poor's are. Okay, then okay, top 500 companies, okay, but then look at the index itself. Then it's like, okay, oh, I understand. So when you understand what you're invested in, then you'll be able to further trade with the trend and get rich, little nigga. Easy call. Boom. Fire ass demand zone. All right. You say it's not a demand zone. I say it is. I look at a bunch of dojis and a bunch of wicks and a bunch of indecision at a certain price, and then I see the market drop to the price that the demand zone is at, and then fucking shoot up out of the bottom of it like a rocket. We've been on a rocket out of the bottom of it like crazy. Okay, so I mean, like I said, go to the Twitch, and we gonna get it cracking at the end of the day. Oh, my favorite thing to do is gonna be this right here though. So where do I feel the SPX is about to go? Where do I feel the Standard & Poor's is about to go? Where do I feel this index is about to go? How do you do this thing again? Oh yeah, boom, these little bars. I fuck with these bars, I'm telling you. This shit is the shit. I should have never found this tool. Okay, I don't know how to get it off there. I mean, it's not gonna be all, you know, like what it is, but okay. Well, you get the gist of it. I'm basically just saying it's going, you know, to the top side, in a sense. So it already pushed out of there. Could it come back and retest? It's a possibility, right? It's a possibility just to take out new buyers and people who then jumped in this bitch. You know what I mean? But shit, I just feel like the market gonna keep pushing up, okay? It's already on the fucking shooting star right here. It's already on the shooting star, looking like it's already ready to just push back up. What happened with this candlestick, the story of it, and the reason I'm gonna go through the story of the candlestick, right? And the reason I'm gonna go through the story of the candlestick is because you gotta understand what you're reading. So it's not just a candlestick. It's like, it's the type of candlestick that it is. It's a shooting star. All right. So here's the brush. So basically, right, price dropped. Boom, drop down to this area. All right, so that's why you have a remaining wick, right? And then the bulls came through. Oh shit, I don't know why this. Boom, and then the bulls came through, right? Then the bulls came through, pushed that shit back up, right? And the bears came through. Well, it still got candlestick here, so here's where we are right here, right? So that's kind of what it looks like. And then I'm gonna change this one to green. You're probably like, man, this is confusing, but I'm trying to tell you the story of the candlestick, meaning that like the market dropped down, right? And then the bulls came back and pushed it up, and then it closed. So it still has to cover the rest of this red right here, right? It still has to cover the rest of this red. So boom, it'll blow past this red, and then it'll start forming green candlesticks. Bang. And then we should just take back off and continue doing the normal flow of the ups and downs in the markets every single day. You feel me? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Y'all going up on the y'all going up on this shit though. Y'all going up on this shit. All right, so that's where we're going. That's Standard & Poor's. That's Standard & Poor's. Now I'm about to play this one song. Man, a lot of people actually like this pair. A lot of people actually like this pair. I mean, this not pair, this index, right? A lot of people actually like this index. You know, they know she not a loyal index though. They know she not a loyal one. You know what I mean? So that's why you gotta flip that bitch, run that shit back. Feel me? I'm gonna get into that US 30 right now. Let's turn up for the one time. Let's get it, my nigga. We in this bitch. I don't know why this popped up. I pressed the button and the whole coding shit popped up.
Run that shit back.
Run that shit, run that shit. Run that shit.
Shout out to all y'all in the stream though. What's up?
Run that shit up, Robbie.
Flip that shit, run that shit back. Tread again, then I run up the pack. Mask up, then we load up the gat. Mask up. Flip that shit, run that shit back. Tread again, then we run up the pack. Mask up, then I load up the gats. Mask up while we make them shits clap. Big dog, rich dog, been a rich dog since a kid dog. Even when I was broke, I couldn't fall. Stay 10 toes to my grind, invest at 10-fold. Move a 10 to 2,000 in the morning, all gold. If I'm greedy, kick US 30 till my account get locked, y'all. Easy money and I'm gone, toss the phone, lead a zone. Big booty freak when I suck because I'm rich. Big booty freak when I suck because I'm him. Trade niggas, banks on taps like museums. Flip your per diem and triple up the profit, serving trades like Tim's, black Tim's. That's foot on the gas of this yacht from Long Beach. Drove everything down the block, from Rarries to Lambos to Rolls and drop tops. We don't see them around the city, what they say that they around. Right, ayy, I'm in the trade right now, what's the hype? Ayy, shot caller shit, so you know it's trade or die. They say the trade game, but are you really gon' ride? Got it poppin' in the market, you either trade or die. Trying niggas see the lifestyle, but they ain't really about that life. Ayy, wake up every morning, check the trade and hit the lights. Take the same trade on 5 different brokers, get sniped. Got the city on smash Forex shit, hitting nice. You know the name and the vibe, tell you now I'm that guy. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Flip that shit, run that shit back. Tread again, then I run up the pack. Mask up, then we load up the gats. Mask up. Flip that shit, run that shit back. Tread again, then we run up the pack. Mask up, then I load up the gats. Mask up while we make them shits clap. We been big paid from the get-go, this that trade gang. Same thing, except we in the market with them things spraying. Trade gang, except we in the market, no games playing. Same thing, money moving coast to the stainless, the lane chains. Perkins popping wild bubbling all in your mainframe. You think it's free, this ain't no sweepstakes, bitch. Nas 100, get this me steaks, bitch. Jury 30 smack, but I don't fuck, she need a rent pay. Pound versus the dollar, pounding pussy off the bench pay. Money off the phone, but we don't keep them more than 3 days. Keep the money hot, wear a mask and move the freeway. In a free world, but we ain't free yet. East Bay. Catalog your life and choose a pair from the heat wave. Document the
alright, for sure. Y'all know what it is. US 30, US 30, US 30. He said, yo, when you hop into Discord, okay, can you talk about how we use FinViz to support our analysis? I could talk about it on Twitch. That's when I'm using it, you know what I mean? In the live market. I definitely could talk about it on Twitch for sure. That's when I'm using it in the live market when it's moving. You know what I mean? Gold, please. I did gold when we first got on here. That was the first thing. So this week could possibly, you feel me? If not, shit, protect yourself, do what you need to do, and then find a great entry so you can, keep, doing what you need to do. But so this red right here, right? This is March, right? This is like February, March. Corona news first hit the airwaves. So that's when everybody just got the news, shit start shutting down, the world start going crazy, right? So that's this right here. So that big drop already came, right? So right here, this is where we previously were at. Where the fuck is my green? Let's turn that green. Right? And in this price, basically shit, this is like pre-corona. So price returned to like pre-corona before it dropped. Return to pre-corona. Or COVID, shit. That's easier to write. Alright, so boom. And then shit, now we're just on a healthy trend shit to the top side. Alright, so the markets have been recovering, trending bullish and healthy for the past 6 months. Alright, 6 months in the market is 2 quarters. All right, 6 months in the 6 months in the market is 2 quarters. The final quarter should perform well. So the market has 4 different quarters. Right now we're in the final quarter. That's from 9 to 12, and what I mean 9 to 12 is this month is 9. So September to December. December being 12. All right. So that's how to get it. Make sure you guys smash that like button too. We got almost 1,000 people on here, and we only got like 375 likes. So go ahead and smash that like button for the one time. All right. Go ahead and smash that like button for the one time. Smash that like button for the one time. Let's get it. Let's run them likes up. We need like a K likes before we get off this shit for the day. We need like a K likes before we get off this shit for the day. All right. So where we're currently at, right, is right here. Okay. So in a sense, it did come back to pre-COVID conditions right here. All right. Another massive retest. All right. A lot of you don't understand the markets and shit like that. So what's going on? You know, just retesting, giving new buyers a chance and opportunity to get a price. All right. And what we should do is continue out of this area to the top side. I know, you know, you said the trend line. Well, fuck the trend line. I read the market. You know, it got to be here for the people who can't see. But I mean, without it, this is where we're going. The candlestick that we're on is that same little spinning top doji. Okay. If we look left, it's coming out of the fire ass demand zone. It's a shooting star out of a fire ass demand zone. All right. It's a shooting star out of a fire ass demand zone. Okay. So let's get it. You said do Bitcoin. We can. I was doing Bitcoin over inside the Discord on Saturday. We was on the crypto shit going crazy when that shit had dropped to like, what was that shit dropped to? It was like 99 or something, 9968. I think that's where it went to, 9968. You feel me? Cali time. Oh, for the Twitch, yeah. You said Telegram is trash. We don't use Telegram, bro. We be on Discord, bro. We be on Discord, but that's where I feel like the market's gonna continue, definitely. So I broke down all the conditions and what happened, right? And what time frame I'm on is the daily. All right, so I broke down all the condition and stuff. So when we get to this little 29.6, that's this line right here, right? That's like 29.6. And I'm only putting a line there so you can just look left, right? I'm only putting a line there so you can look left and see where I'm at. I'm over here. All right, so this is where you at, Ty? I'm lost, B. I'm lost. Hey, help a nigga out. I'm lost. Oh, right here, B. This is where we at. This is what I'm looking at. So, all right. This area, I'm gonna go ahead and put a price tag on that shit. That's 29.68. So boom, we should be going back up to 29.68, and then we'll see some more resistance up there, and we're gonna just go ahead and keep pushing to the top side. You know what I mean? Do I feel like the Dow is gonna lose any points? So I looked at the Dow returns when it first started. We actually went over that on Twitch. I recorded a video. I think I'll drop it. Like exploring the Dow Jones or some shit. I think I'll drop it on here. And it really explained the Dow Jones. We went back years in data, back to when it was started back in the 1800s, and we, you know, seen how it was doing. It started off doing like 3%, and then, you know, some years it did 45% a year, and some years it did minus 15% a year, and then it went on to steady, you know, for several years. Like it would go on to steady, you know, 15% return, 20%, 25% return, 35% return, you know, and then boom, one year to do like, you know, minus 19%. Then the next year or next 3 years it'll do, you know, more returns. But we're talking about years though. We talk about years. Gains over time equals gains over years. We talk about, you know, so we talk about real times, and we talk about how the index performs over time. You know what I mean? So, and now you understand where Buffett will come in and be on that, oh, buy in May and go away. Bro's an investor, bro. Bro don't have time to be sitting around playing this shit. You know what I mean? Me, I personally like, you know, getting in the market and fighting and getting cracking. That shit is fun. You know, so I got Forex tatted on my temple, my nigga, literally. You know what I mean? So, like, I'm more addicted than you, but that's why, like, now I can really just get off on Twitch now. You like, that's the shit now. Like, boom, go to Twitch, and that shit fun. You know what I mean? So I feel like a lot of Forex YouTubers, people who've been doing this, they're gonna start coming to Twitch too. It's a dope ass platform. I feel like really we're gonna force a financial section on Twitch the same way they have a music and all that. Like, it's gonna be a finance section for, you know, people to come and do their shit live, bro. That's what it's gonna be, and I definitely am gonna lead the charge with that. You know, over on Twitch, we're gonna get that cracking. Like I said, we're gonna make that happen. I'm about to be partner, but let's get it like that. Oh yeah, like Reza used to say, share the feed, 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 share the feed. All right, let's get it. So that's that. So we went over Nasdaq, we went over the Dow Jones, we went over the Standard & Poor's. All right, now it's a lot of people. Oh, can you look at German 30? So this is my watch list right here. I don't watch anything else. So if you want to copy my watch list, this is literally my watch list right here. You can literally just screenshot like it. You can copy it. It's right there. You know. You said Angela Singletary. I remember that name, bro. Hey, you went to Poly? I think I had her in who class did I have her in? Miss Du Bois class. I think I had her in this boy, Miss Du Bois. Late as fuck. What's good, Trey Gang? What's the deal? Oh yeah, we getting shit cracking, baby. Go. My boy Ty got his hands in everything, man. I'm just trying to, you're just trying to move, you know, just trying to move. We got some new Forex shit dropping too. A lot of people been suggesting products and stuff, but we've been shit, really just been busy. Really, I just been busy fucking sending out merch, bro. You know what I mean? So let's get it. All right, yo, so that's that us 30. So let's move to that dirty, that I would say dirty 30 because she dirty too, you know what I mean, with her dirty ass. But let's go over there and see what's good. All right. So this is old. Okay, this is old, but the channel still remains. I'm not gonna change the channel. Not gonna change the channel. All right. So same thing. All right, we could do the same thing. Here's their Corona drop right here. Their shit was worse than ours. Their shit was way worse than ours. Like, you feel me? And it's blue because I could just put. I'll put. Well, nah. Let's make it red. Let's make it red. What's he doing? I'm some economic shit. So let's talk economy. Let's talk economics for a second. You know, let's talk trends. Let's talk economics. Let's get into the real money. Enough of that playing around. I know a lot of people be on this shit playing around. I'm not a CPA, bro, so I'm in a sense I can't give you that shit. Like, I could do the Forex shit because this is what I do, but I'm not a CPA, bro. So OG Brian with your fake account. You niggas. All right, Ty, what do you think is next move for Nas? My bad if you already spoke on it. Yeah, I spoke on it. Just run the stream back. You know what I mean? But this is the Corona pullback right here. You said pullback or drop. So COVID news. All right, same shit. This is where it's boom, the news, right? And what chart I'm on? I'm on the daily. I'm on the daily. I do everything long term. You know what I mean? I'm not really trying to sit here and I don't want to guess, bro. I'm not guessing. You feel me? I find shit that is solid, and then that's just what it is. I find shit that's solid, and that's what it is. I'm not moving if it's not solid, you know. And you could learn from my style. You can learn from my style on you know how to move it and stuff like that. And shout out to everybody, man. It's almost a K on here, man. Shout out to all y'all who show up on a Sunday and you know and rock with me. Like I said, we really got this shit cracking, man. Like I know I haven't been dropping vlogs and shit on YouTube, but I'm not like a YouTuber, bro. Like I do this Forex shit for real. So I mean, in a sense, you got a piece of my life when I was sharing it with you. You know what I mean? You got a piece of my life when I was sharing it with you, but like nigga, I do this shit. You can, if you want to see me in my best suit, you know what I mean? Nigga, come find me on Twitch Monday through Friday where we get shit cracking. I like being in the game, you know what I mean? So let's get it. Big joint pattern. Oh, y'all definitely see the big joints pattern, big blunt patterns all day. YouTube don't know nothing about the big blunt patterns. They got to come to Twitch to get all the exclusive shit, you know what I mean? So boom. I know you say the trend lines don't matter. Okay, I can move it up right here. That's what it's really tapping against. All right, trend lines don't matter. So if you don't need it, you don't need it. But if you can see the market, then you should be able to just be like, oh, that's where it's going. But for those who can't, they need a little line to just bounce above, and that'll help them get a better scope. You know, brokers will get on here trying to tell you guys that, you know, the ways that you trade, it isn't the way that you're supposed to be trading. But you got to think, why would they, you know what I mean, tell you that, bro? Because you've been cleaning their ass out, like, you know what I mean? So how come when I can't see the stream on Twitch, but there's Twitch comments on the video? I don't know, bro. It's hella videos there. You know, it's hella videos there. What pair? This is German 30. German 30. We're on German 30, right? I'm just showing you the long term, showing you where we can keep going. All right, go ahead. Let's see where the price. We have to get back to this price. So it dropped. And it's now, in a sense, filled the gap. So look at the gap that is pretty much filled already. So it's almost filled all of this already. Now we just got to get back to this. What is this area right here? Like 13.9. All right, so right now price is at 12.9, so we got to get back to 13.9 to fill the gap and then continue doing what we got to do. You know what I mean? All right, let me go ahead and put a price tag on there. Where the fuck is those tags at, bro? Oh, there it is. Boom. All right. So I use this line just to show you a gauge of what's going on. Now I can delete it. Boom. But now you at least you can see, you know, where I'm looking, right on top of here. All right. I'll move this out the way. You see, we're at 13, the same little area right there. Okay. That's all I did. All right. I feel like, you feel me? Ty, isn't the Nasdaq bull run too steep? I mean, shit, like I said, if it wants to retest again, it'll retest again, but you don't got enough bread to play in the game at the level of the game that's being played. So before a nigga let then 15% to 30+% returns go for the entire year, you know what I'm saying? Shit. Hey, go crazy. They will go crazy. You feel me? You said the comments are from YouTube. Okay, yeah, we getting cracking though. Make sure you guys smash that like button, share the feed. I don't know how you can share the feed, but share me on different pages. Let's get this information out here. It's good info. All right, so here we are right here in the demand zone. Once again, you know, what's a demand zone? It's just a place just like support, right? There's just like support. It's just the area where price keeps returning. It just kind of holds at that certain price, and in a sense, it turns into a demand. It's not breaking through that price. Okay, this is the price where people are looking to buy it. If it's not breaking through, every time it gets to this price, it's shooting out of here. It got a demand. Every time it hits 12.9, boom, okay, we need to buy it. It's demand. It's a demand at that price. You know what I mean? There's a dictionary definition. We go more into it, you know, but I'm not even about to get in that because I gave you a whole 35-minute university video on us 30 and how to break all of this shit down. So if you haven't, go watch it. If not, hey man, you just got to get caught up, you know. So here it is. I'm gonna start here, right? I'm gonna start here, start right here, move it across. All right, look at all those wicks, how many times they bounced out of there. All right, make that shit baby blue, baby boy. Make that shit baby blue, baby boy. Let's get it. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 8, 9. Motherfucker got the area tapped 9 times. 9 times at that price, making that a strong demand zone. If you look at the candlestick that we're looking at right now, it's a doji, a spinning top, almost a shooting star, in a sense, kind of like kangaroo tail right off of this demand zone. So price should literally keep pushing up. It comes down to retest one more time. Okay, comes down, retest one more time, and it's just gonna continue trending, doing what it needs to do to continue filling the gap and getting up to 13,886. Let's get it. Let's get it. He said, Ty, ICC says trend lines are BS. What do you think? Well, if you can sit through one of bro's entire videos without falling asleep, then I think you might get some good information. I feel like, shit, you should just simplify the game, and the more shit you learn, the more confusing it gets, you know what I mean? So really, you just gotta get it cracking like that. He said, yo, Ty, I saw you on the highway in Vegas, bro. Hey, that's lit. Hell yeah, that's tight. How do I drone trade gang? You gotta trade. You gotta trade. Did he do GJ? Nah, I go to currencies right now. I knocked out all the indexes. We knocked out all of that. Now I'm gonna go over to the currencies and break that shit down. But I really knocked this shit down. I wanted to give you the science behind what you were looking at. I wanted to give you the science behind what you were looking at, so you could really know what's good. You know what I mean? Let's get it. But yeah, a lot of niggas gonna tell you that what it is ain't what it is. But to be honest, look, if you can learn how to read, then you can learn how to read through bullshit too. So just learn how to read. You'll do yourself justice by learning how to read. You'll save yourself so much time by learning how to read. And then you come fuck with a nigga like me and I tell you, okay, you need to put it here, 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 here. You be like, damn, bro, I done tripled up my shit in the past 5 years. Ty, good looking, bro. You should've. Yeah, bro. You feel me? Why can't you tap someone and reply here? Oh, like on Discord. On me, the Discord be going up because you can't do the replies like that. Let's go to GU though. Boom. All right. So GU, this is the daily, right? Now, why did price fall? In a sense, it hit a demand zone and it was high. All right. Looking left, filling this gap where the price dropped to and why people were afraid. Literally right to these wicks right here. Right to old. So this is how the game goes, right? This is how the game goes. Old support becomes new resistance. and new resistance becomes old resistance becomes old resistance becomes new support becomes new resistance. That's I always say that I always say that shit backwards, bro. I always say it backwards, but all that means is like price always returns to its old levels. All right, so I could throw the fib right here for you. Some people use the fib, some don't, you know, it doesn't really matter. All right, where the fuck, there we go. So swing high to swing low, or swing low to swing high. Boom. Right on top. All right. 23.6. Meaning it doesn't really matter that it was in a 23.6 level. Some people, oh, it's a key level, but in a sense, like, you just got to look left and see what's going on. All right, you got to kind of look left and see what's going on. Now, do you need the fib and do you need a Fibonacci to trade? No, you don't. But all I was saying is you just got to look left, right? You just got to look left and see what's going on, and that's what's going to take you to the next shit. We do need more likes in here, bro. There's too many niggas watching and not smashing that like button. Take your thumb, boom. Better fact, I guarantee you can't press the like button with your nose. I bet you can't press the like button with your nose. What's really good. All right, so look at the wick that's coming out of this area. All right, now I know some people are like, he's using the fib. What the fuck is the fib, bro? What is that, bro? And if you don't know, there's videos on YouTube, right, with that, right? But check this out. Boom. So strong guys demand zone now, right? 23.6, and price just pushed right the fuck off of here. Boom. Hit a high, dropped. Okay, dropped into a demand, push right out. Boom. Right? Push right out. Boom. Now we go to a smaller time frame, you'll start to see the bulls eating. Okay, so where will price go, or where is it going to return to? 133, 134. All right, so we should continue getting cracking. We looked at that young German 30, we seen where that was going. Okay, we keep seeing that push. We looked at DXY, we looked at the dollar index, and the dollar index showed us what type of strength? That the US dollar is poised to get weaker. We seen the supply zone that it was in. So if it pushes to the downside, and the dollar does get weaker, then what happens to this pair right here? It's a pair, right? This is an index, this is a pair. So what happens to this? Let's get it. Let's get it. He said the amount of likes after he said that. Oh, with the people pushing it with their nose, y'all funny, man. But nah, I rock with you guys. I really rock with y'all. You guys are a vibe. You feel me? So definitely, you know, give a round of applause to yourself too. You know, you always are a wonderful audience. I rock with you guys. You know what I mean? So definitely give a round of applause to yourself. Give a round of applause to yourself. He said gold analysis. You mean gold? I already did gold, bro. We started off, we did gold, and then I did DXY, and then I did NAS 100, and then I did US 30, then I did XPX, then I did German 30. Now I'm on pound. All right, so I'll switch over to do pound yen. It's the same thing, or we could do Australian dollar USD. I think that's cool. Let's do Australian dollar USD. I like that. I like that pair. Yeah, young Aussie dollar. Feel me? So I think this was from a stream or some shit. Usually when I set these up, I don't even fucking move it. So, I mean, literally that's what it is. But I'll go back, take it off. All right, see where this is trending. All right, in a sense, shit, this is, everything dropped in the same area during that corona. We seeing red everywhere. You know what I mean? So this is pre-corona as well. This is March. This is all in March. And I remember you I don't know if you know what's going on, but I mean, that's what's going on. So it's relevant around all the pairs. I know trend lines don't matter, but let me show you how to use one real quick, just in case you need to see it, just in case, because it's supposed to help you with a scope. It's not supposed to, in a sense, help you really see anything but just where the market is. It's supposed to continue. So, I mean, if you want to use everything else, yeah, he said, need that black Forex hoodie re-release, trade or die. Possibly. Like I said, all you gotta do is just check TradeGaang.com in the morning for Labor Day. I got a surprise for you guys on there, so just, I mean, tap in, you feel me? Tap in. And then I got Forex and Fortnite coming back. We got Forex and Fortnite coming back, but we bringing it back at an entirely different scale. I mean, you guys heard me teasing this pro Fortnite player we got on the team, and bro's been bodying shit. I got some games with bro, and this nigga is going crazy in the arena as well. So shit, man, I'm not gonna drop the name yet, but we definitely building it on the back end, and shit, I think it's gonna be a dope exchange. You know, I think it's gonna be a dope exchange. He's gonna, you know, learn the skill for life, and shit, possibly we might draft him from his org. Shit, for sure. I'm on that wave. Like how shit. Man, I'm saying though. Boy, see how much he can eat. He gonna be like, you know what? Shit. But look, this Aussie dollar, right? Aussie dollar. Same thing with GU. Same thing with DXY. We seen that dollar index getting weak. Let's go back to dollar index. All right, we seen it getting weak. I know I still have these little bars up, but all this was saying was I feel like dollar index or the dollar is gonna get weak and push to the downside, right? If that happens, if you got a weak dollar, then another pair. Where the fuck is oh, I gotta go off of this to get it. Like Aussie dollar, right? Would end up being bullish, and we got a pin bar, right? And we got a pin bar. I know it don't matter, but it's here. It's for sure here. Okay, it's for sure here, and we got a pin bar. So, oh, this nigga Heisen on. Well, what's good, bro? What's good? Shit, bro is on there. Say no mas. What's good, Heisen? What's the deal? He said, yo, Ty, I turned 500 into 20,000 because of you. Now I can't get out of a losing streak. What the fuck is going wrong? Just stop trading for a second and go look at everything that you did right. And then when you go look at everything that you did right, literally do everything that you did right every single time. And that's why you should keep a journal, so you will have those mistakes in there. You be like, oh man, I made a mistake. Okay, well, what did I do right? Because you're not necessarily looking at what you did wrong. You know what I mean? Because every wrong is not necessarily a wrong. It's just a lesson. It's just like, damn, okay, I fucked up. Okay, I need to do this. I need to do this. I need to do this. And then you get back in the game and you know what you need to do. So you just play to what you know you need to do. What time do I be going live on here? I'll be going live on here on, what time? 9 a.m. But today I went live a little bit later. But I mean, it is what it is. So for the week, like this is a weekly analysis. We're just looking out for the week, like 200 pips up on Aussie dollar, especially if that dollar continues to weaken, especially from the zone that we're looking at right now. We get one more push to the top side. Okay. But if that dollar goes ahead and continues to weaken, right? That means gold is going to go ahead and get that push to the top side. We got Aussie dollar getting that push to the top side. Okay. We should end up in that 74 area. So that's like 200 pips away. Okay. Let's get it. Now we at that 1,000 likes. Appreciate you guys. I mean, 1,000 viewers. Appreciate all you guys tapping in though. I do. Let's get it. But let's move on now. All right. So I'll give you guys the floor. And you get a chance to tell me which pair you want me to look at next, right? These are some old channels. If you've been watching me on Twitch, I haven't changed my channels at all. I just every time I try to drag this shit. All right, so I'll just leave the channels, and I mean, we're still in the channel. I'll break it down and I'll explain it, you know, but if you see and understand the Japanese candlesticks, then you know exactly what's going on. But I'll explain what's going on. I'm about to let you guys tell me what I should look at, all right? I'm gonna let you guys tell me what I should look at next, and I'm about to go ahead and bang that Forex trader, because y'all been running that shit up. Shit, y'all been running it up on the fucking videos. You got me cracking on the shit. Almost 14,000. No, it's at 14,000 views right now. You got Forex Trader right now, no cap, to 14,000 views of music video. So I definitely appreciate you guys. You know what I'm saying? I definitely appreciate you guys for getting it cracking like that. For sure, because that's lit. You feel me? And then it's the music video. We didn't really do no promo. So with no promo, y'all running that shit up. Just trade gang. And in a sense, that's what I've been trying to, you know, show to the industry, that we got that power. So you got it at like 14 right now. I'm pretty sure, you know, you Forex niggas gonna keep running that shit up. The Forex chicks, y'all gonna keep running this up. Let's keep running it up. You got me at 14. You feel me? It's like 1,000 people on here right now. If 1,000 y'all go click play, you feel me? That'll take it to 15. You feel me? Let's keep that shit banging. I'm gonna go ahead and break down Euro USD. And let's get it popping like that.
You already know who I am. Yo, let's turn this motherfucker up one time. Check it out, it's gonna go like this, look. All the trade niggas to the left, all the trade bitches to the right. Take your motherfucking phones out, cause we're about to get it cracking this bitch. What's happening? Oh yeah. What? Trade, run that shit up. House money, busting the numbers. Trade, gold on the rise. 10 live, 50 live, go slide, nigga. Trade, fucking it up. Buck it up. Trade gang shit, gon' lock for a dub. Bust down coast, P5 on thumb. Trade, what's the runs now? Still in German 30 on the bust down. Trade, yeah, it's hitting, huh? Got gold runners hitting on the touchdown. Index funds running, so what's up now? XPS 500, keep the truck loud. Trade, talk my shit, yeah. Keep it on demand, price in, price hit. You better have a plan, my alerts don't miss. Trade it with the trend, keep the bands on flip. Trade it with the trends, double up on the lick. ETF cheek, long-term dividends. Trade, ayy, money on waves. Keep the black tins, cause a nigga don't play. Keep the sticky hot off the rip every day. Ayy, smashing in the lane, get the fuck out my way. Ayy, trade, run that shit up. Ayy, house money, busting the numbers. Trade, ayy, gold on the rise. 10 live, 50 live, go slide. Trade, ayy, fucking it up. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. Ayy, trade game shit, gon' lock for a dub. Bust down coast, P5 on fun. Trade, ayy, what's the dealio? New Forex course, niggas, what you really on? Trade, you just copy all my videos. We know your whole game, that's why we in control. Trade.
Alright, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Let's get it, let's get it. That was Forex Trader, that was Forex Trader. So, Euro USD, right? Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD. Let's get it. You said what? You said this ain't it. Hey, I'm gonna tell you the truth though. Some people fuck with my music, some people don't. But with no promo, I've been running it up and shitting on all you niggas who been trying to do this shit. You feel me? Literally talking about Forex, talking about what I wanted to do, started my own wave. So you really just gotta respect the fact that no, I didn't have to talk about all that bullshit you be in your song lying about. My lifestyle was really trade or die, and I rapped about it, and I rap about it. You know what I mean? So you really gotta see it as what it is and respect the position. And if you wanna get on, then you gotta come fuck with me. But I'm gonna keep taking this trade music shit to heights, you feel me? And that's just what it is, you feel me? So I don't care if the industry respect it or not, they still gotta come rent their cars. Y'all still gotta come rent your cars and your Airbnbs. You know what I mean? Who the fuck you think got all the money, nigga? All right, but yeah. So look, Euro USD, the wick show a strong rejection at the price, right? Meaning every time that it goes here, and what I mean is goes to the price, right? The price that is at. I'll explain more about the wicks. We'll draw the demand zone and all of that. When you got here, what you seen was what? What did you see? You see I had my channels and shit set, right? So in a sense, like once my channels are set and I understand where the trend is at, I literally trade with the trend and get rich, right? So that's the move. What does that mean? Shit, that means you just gotta keep trading with the trend and get rich. So in a bearish trend, what are you doing in a bearish trend? You're selling. Simple, you're selling, right? In a bearish trend, you're selling, okay? In a bearish trend, you're selling. Super simple, right? But in a bullish trend, what are you doing? Or a bullish channel, the entire channel, right? Now, the thing is you gotta find when to buy and when to sell. So that's all you gotta find. You gotta know when to buy and when to sell, and sometimes that's the hard part. But there's this name of the game, and it's called equity, and it's called leverage. So you need to figure out a way to leverage the equity that you have to be able to become, great at investing and managing your money. Because we're in a money management game at the end of the day. So no, if you're gambling, you may make a little bit of bread. That's what's up. But if you can't manage your bread, then no, you're not gonna be where you wanna be, especially inside of this foreign exchange game. So the number one rule is really money management. All right. So now, boom. So wick should boom. Every time the price go there, it doesn't stay long and it's used as a support or a demand zone, right? So those are the wicks. So now I'll go to this little rectangle and I'll draw the demand. So I could draw it through the candlesticks, through wherever I want, how many ever I want, but really it's how many times did price hit here, right? How many times did price hit this certain area? All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 8, 9, okay, 10, here's a wick, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There's 18 wicks that hit this price, or 117 or 118 flat. So, or what is this? 117.6 to 118, right? So 16, what was it? 16 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I don't know if I said 17 before. If I keep going to the left, here's 2 more right here, 18, 19. All right, so, bro, the shit is so powerful. Anything that bounces on this zone is just out. What it shows is too, because you got to read the story, right? So look at these 2 candlesticks right here at the end. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight it. For those who already know, you guys already know. For those who don't, I'm putting you on game right now, right? I'm gonna make it green so you can see what I'm talking about. You see these 2 wicks. Look at the wicks, and I already explained to you the story of the wick that you're looking at. All right, I already explained to you the story of the wicks that you're looking at. So what happened here? Price hit this demand zone, right? Okay, bounce off of it. It basically got rejected. So it's like if a basketball player was going into the hole, bro's trying to go into the hole, go up, nigga went up against somebody, bro. Get the fuck out of here. Slap that shit. Every time it comes in this area, they're basically slapping that out. Bro, you might as well not even come here because you already know what's gonna happen. But what that means for traders, right, is every time that it hits that certain price, then you already know this might be a great price that we need to go ahead and look to go ahead and hit that buy button, right? And that's how you do it. Now I know, I mean, this Forex shit's a little bit of hood, but at the end of the day, like, nigga, you just gotta tap in. You're gonna get this game. You know what I mean? You're gonna get this game raw. None of that fluff. I won't wear a suit. Like, that's just out, nigga. I'm not gonna have one of them shits on. I'm not trying to be professional, and I don't give a fuck if you like me or not. Look, nigga, before I got on YouTube, I was doing my thing, you know what I mean? And after I leave off this bitch, I'm gonna be doing my thing, you know what I mean? So at the end of the day, you just gotta respect it. I'm giving you shit for the F, nigga. Eat when you can eat, and if you can't, then you can't. Let's get it though. That's Euro USD. I already showed you the channels. I already showed you the rejection. Okay, let me give you a price. All right, this is 119. We can probably get back to 120. That was a high, you know, that was a high. It probably can go back up there and fill that. But no, we still in that low channel. So I know the trend lines don't mean nothing, but it's for show bouncing against them hoes though. It's for show bouncing against them hoes though. You know what I mean? So it's for show bouncing against them. You know what I mean? What's good? Money on waves though.
Boom.
We're gonna drop that money on waves, right? Go ahead and call out the next shit you want me to check out though. Call out the next shit you want me to check out. I'm gonna check out like 2 more, answer some questions, and I'm out of here.
Yeah. Trade game shit go tempo. Trade game shit go tenfold. Trade game shit on tenfold. Yeah. Big team up, big time. I trade, yeah, I get it. This'll probably be a song without a hook. You gotta soak every word in like a book. Better yet, said it then. Feel like you in a roof. Ay, money like it's Saturday, commas inside the room. And karma never miss, so you better grab a broom. Clean that shit up, or you go through the looms. Go through that shit like it's nothing to lose. Understand life will just give you a mirror that you be projected. Do everything to protect all your views. Freedom is rare, so do as you choose. But every choice always comes with a noose. Addicted to something, addicted to sorrow. Or skip it today, cause you live for tomorrow. Addicted to money, but stick to my balls. Stick to my lane and I stay on my toes. Trade ain't shit, yeah, I trade with my woes. Thread through the needle, I see through the lows. Still eat the oodles and still in my roots. Walking that way, so be walking the line. This one recouping that feeling inside. Ay, let the profits just turn on the rise. Overflowing, so turn up the fly.
That song got hella game in it. That song got hella game in it. But look, so I've showed you a lot of bullish trends. I've showed you a lot of bullish trends. I showed you a lot of bullish trends. But let's talk about the bears, right? Let's talk about the bears. Let's talk about the bears real quick. Song, that was money on waves. That was money on waves. Just living our life. Gold. What DXY gonna do? We already did that. GC. US JAP. Go, we're on UC right now. Said notice I just adjusted my trend line. So if you've been on Twitch, right? If you've been on Twitch, then you already pretty much know what's been going on here. All right, so I showed you EU, I showed you GU, I showed you that the dollar strength was getting weaker. Okay, so I'm gonna delete some of this. The reason I had this up here is because I was just showing people trends and stuff like that. All right, play just living her life. Okay, all right, I'll play it. Damn, I don't think I played that on here for a minute. I don't think I ever played it on there. All right, boom. I'm just deleting some of this stuff off right here, showing you guys what's good. Still in the bearish trend. Okay, I just gotta get some stuff. Really, I could make it hella easy and just be like, to be honest. All right, to be honest, easy, bam. Reset it, boom. Boom right here, bam, just like that. I mean, and there we go. So to just keep shit wiggling his way on down, because that's the channel it's in. You said Bitcoin, then play trade or die. Oh, I could do going off Bitcoin, huh? I could. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that in a second, but this is the trend. All right. So what we have here is not necessarily a piercing line. You feel me? The piercing line is bullish. Okay. but this is called a dark cloud cover. All right, so you like, what's a dark cloud cover? So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up, right? So in a sense, a piercing line is like a bullish reversal, right? A dark cloud cover is like a bearish reversal. All right, so there's different ways to see them. All right, if you want to go to your Forex cheat sheets and stuff like that, then cool. But in that Understanding Japanese Candlestick video, I mean, it pretty much explains this shit, you know, wholeheartedly. So it goes over a lot of different type of patterns. So this is the candlestick pattern, and this is 3 different entry methods for that exact pattern. So first one, go short, is showing you the entry method. It's showing method is showing you where your stop losses should be at. Boom. When you see something like that, all right, and then boom. Okay, so it's giving you 3 ways to enter. You could wait for another candlestick to print, and then boom, go short, or you could just shit. I mean, it's saying you can go short one, wait for one to print, go short, or go wait for it to, you know, fully print and literally get all the way underneath that that break, and you wait for a safe breakout and then take it too. So they gave you 3 different risk to reward, 3 different risk to reward ratios, and 3 different entry types that you can get cracking with right there. All right, like, bruh, get it out, bro. Get the word out, bruh. All right, dark cloud cover. You see what it looks like. All right. Now let's get back over here. You're like, well, where's that at? Literally right here. This is the daily though. So now we're reading it like this. We're in a downish, we're in a dovish trend as well. So bearish trend as well, right? So we should continue to the downside. All right, we should continue to the downside. Probably get to like 129. What is this? This is at 130 right now. It gets to like 129 retest. Get some retest in action right there. Bounce back up to like 130 again, and then drop a little bit lower. Probably come into this like 128 area. All right, let's look left and see. Probably got to go to a higher time frame. All right, so this is the first area right here, like 129, which it tapped there once, but not all the way. All right, so that's like 129.631. That's the bottom of that, right? I'm going out to this area, retest, come back, retest, go a little bit lower, probably drop to like 128, like this right here. This is where all the wicks are right here. See this area over here? So I see a lot of wicks over here. So now just drag it across, give me a nice little good price. Like 128.654. So that's 2 levels that price could drop to as it's continuing to come down. All right. He said, Ty finna go delete video on demand. Video on demand. He said, nah, we would have handled it. What are they talking about? Wasn't Trade Gang would have handled it? What is it? What are they talking about? What's a good platform to trade on? Shit, it depends on your liking, really. You know what I mean? Like, you could use TradingView if you want. You could use MetaTrader. They got C Trader, Ninja Trader. You know what I mean? So TD Ameritrade has the Thinkorswim platform. You know what I mean? So different platforms. He said, Ty gonna get off the stream and be like, what the fuck did I do? He said, we not playing no games. This only about getting to the bag. Hey, no cap. We trying to get that bread. I don't know what niggas on. If you not trying to get to that bread shit, I don't know what you on. We trying to get that bag though. You know what I mean? Big King. He said, yo, Ty, this is my first time catching a live stream. It's lit. Hey, man, shout out to you then. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. Why are your numbers different than mine? Because I changed them. All right, but let's move on. Let's move on. I'm doing like one more pair, one more index, and I'm out this bitch though. So you call it. What we doing before I leave? He said he about to get some cold water thrown on him. Okay, and I'm back to getting this bread, bro. Throw that 50 MA on that. Oh, you already know. You see it too, huh? You be getting cracking. Y'all boys be going crazy. Move the camera right side. I got 2 cameras. And sometimes I don't like using all that extra shit. I just like, this is what I like, you know? All right, here's Bitcoin though. You probably still see shit in here. So this was like Saturday entries. And the reason why I was sniping the bodies on Saturday, really, which is because it's a demand zone right here. But I mean, here we are again, nigga, in these damn demand zones. Could it break through and go a little bit further to the downside? It's a possibility, but I'm just gonna look left, right, and just be like, oh, this is hella strong. We still looking at wicks. Look how many wicks. Just getting all these wicks right here. If I keep going at this price, it's a strong ass demand zone. All right, strong. So if it breaks to the downside again, then we're gonna come even lower with Bitcoin. That should have probably tried to get to like 8,000. Then I feel like niggas gonna run the price up to 20 or 30 again on some nut shit. You feel me? But 10,000, nice low price. You feel me? Really, I mean, you just have to keep trying to buy it out the demand to see if it's gonna go. Get Bitcoin get back to like 12K. Let's see if we're gonna float it out of there. It's pretty strong right now, you know, it's pretty strong right now. It's holding. So then you just have to see like, okay, are we gonna really get the push to the top side, or is it gonna finish today at like 10.3 or 10.4 or some shit like that? But I don't feel like Bitcoin is ever gonna, you know, remain on the low or something like that. Bro, there's nothing on the left for you to see. She said, Django, what's that on the left? What type of cheat sheet you want? Is that Bart's head? LOL, XRP. Double tops and double bottoms. I'm gonna answer some questions right now too. So I mean, this is Bitcoin, so y'all definitely I'm gonna answer some questions right now too. So what's the deal? Get that Rolls Royce energy going in this bitch, or that going off of Bitcoin. Stack more like fuck if you ain't on 2,800 popping since the time gone. That shit, I remember that. You watching the playoffs? Shit, my favorite team is Nas 100 and the Lakers. Let's get it. Appreciate all the knowledge. Nah, I appreciate you guys, man. Y'all didn't help me build a fire ass community. You know what I mean? So shit. Now I really just wake up thinking of shit I can make for Trade Gang. Like, oh, let me do this, let me do this, let me do this. So we, you know, we building. You know what I mean? And you guys just keep showing up to the Twitch, showing up to the tube, just showing up. You know, just keep showing up, getting the game. And you know, it's one thing to get the game, but it's another thing to apply it. You know what I mean? So like I said, it's one thing to get the game, and then it's another thing to apply it. I found her Instagram. I heard you having girls on Django. What Instagram? I'll do my research. Okay. Your face, hurry up in your work since tomorrow's a holiday. Say, is she bad though? Y'all stupid. The one who stole the YouTube name. I'm trying to be down. If I had 101 to get in on Nas, would it be a good idea? You only gonna be able to 0.1 now, ho. You feel me? I like you, but please cam down and right side. No, I don't like the cam down and the right side. I like it at the top, especially when I'm doing my gaming stuff like that. So, you know, it really helps. Her moose face. Okay. When you dropping SPX on, shit. Probably in like a week, bro. It still gotta get mixed. I still gotta send that shit out to Rob and shit. Hey Ty, have you ever traded with high frequency Forex? What? Who's that? All right, Chucky. All right, just because bro donated, I gotta play the song. All right. Hey, bro be going hard on the Twitch too though. Bro be going hard on the Twitch too. It's gonna be crazy. Like in the future, you know, it's gonna be dope. Shit, anytime you type in one of these pairs, the first thing that you see is tyllionaire. NAS 100, boom, tyllionaire. US 30, boom, tyllionaire. SPX 500, tyllionaire. Forex, tyllionaire. I mean, yeah. Forex lifestyle, tyllionaire. Well, according to Google, I mean, you know, that really only matters.
Champ, it's your boy. Let me get it out, let me get it out. Look, I be in my own world, focus on the nail. Everybody around me worth a couple bill. I'm buying up the coins, dug off in the hills. I'd rather take the risk, and I do it for the thrill. I be in my own world, focus on the mill. But everybody around me worth a couple bill. I'm buying up the coins, dug off in the hills. I'd rather take the risk, and I do it for the thrill. I stake my claim, flex on big bank, big rolls, double success, bring the posters out to paint. If you talking big business, hit my sharks for the play. Only talking coders talk, so my line scrambled eggs. Say they wanna cook the meal, but showing up with empty I be in my own world, focus on the meal. Everybody around me worth a couple bill. I'm buying up the coins dug off in the hills. I'd rather take the risk, and I do it for the thrill. I be in my own world, focus on the meal. But everybody around me worth a couple bill. I'm buying up the coins.
Hey, that's lit. He said, saw you at a Jamba Juice in Vegas. That's lit.
Lambo picking Rory's off the lot, and we ain't sorry. Play your bitch, but don't play with us. We ain't Atari, and my whole squad we biggin' up. We Tony Stark and Lee, that's my talk on the yellow bus. Buying important, need a big boost to one of us. We got it started buying ripples since the runner up, and eating profits, selling tickets like we ticket master. But these ain't options, buying buildings just to build it up. Seeing the optics if you're moving in the shadow world.
Let's get it.
The smartest in the game, what's on capital? Earning the largest, what's your interest in the market? I said targets, I said quarters. I got lions on command, we let them go. Fuck all that. I be in my own world, focus on the meal. Everybody around me worth a couple bill. I'm buying up the coins dug off in the hills. I'd rather take
There we
the
go.
risk, and I do it for the thrill. I be in my own world, focus on the meal. But
Let's get it. Let's get it. You said, can you get a playlist of my songs? They're all on there. They're all on my Apple Music, Spotify. I got music on every platform though. Feel me? You said going off Bitcoin. All right, I'll play it. Hey, y'all really be knowing these shits. Just like, see, you haven't seen me. A lot of y'all haven't seen me in concert. Most you know is like Forex and shit like that. But you don't even know. Shit, nigga. Y'all gonna be so fucking lit. Like, man. And that's just what it is. And that's just what it is. You feel me? You said, I knew it was you at Jamba Juice when you told me to look up Ty. Hey, that's funny. For sure. That's funny. We're buying all the indexes. Nas bubble pop. Okay, bro. Hey, we get it. We get it, G. Shit. Hey, bro going ham. Here we go. Here we go. Hey, but look, I'm answering y'all questions. We done knocked out this Ripple. I'm about to get out of here. I'm gonna bang that going off Gitcoin. I'm about to bang that going off Bitcoin. You feel me? Roll up some herb. And I mean, while I'm rolling up this herb, you guys can ask me questions and shit. You know what I mean? I'll be looking at some of your questions and stuff. I'll definitely be looking at some of your questions. So I'm about to roll this up. I'm about to roll this up though. I'm about to roll this up. And yeah. You guys have a great day. So ask your questions and shit. Like I said, ask your questions. We here. You feel me? I'm about to go on that going off Bitcoin that shit one time. And then yeah, let's get it. I'll listen to you on Tidal every morning when I go on the charts. Hey, that's lit. Go look at her IG. Later, bro. All right, Heisen. Yo, Heisen, when we were doing Forex and Fortnite, what's the deal? When we doing Forex and Fortnite, what's the deal? Since I didn't look, the thing is, I've already told people you was doing your shit, bro. Now you didn't pop them on the stream, so I might as well, you know, when we doing Forex and Fortnite, bro, what's the deal? IML hoes really try to steal Ty name and image. Yeah? Nah, no cap. Please stop selling out. I could, but I'm gonna run that going off Bitcoin because that's a little banger. You know what I mean? Forex moving like NASCAR. Damn, y'all know all my songs, bro. That is crazy. You need some Jamaican weed. Yes, I do. I feel like your music is the journey of a trader who aspires towards mastery. He said Ty giving him virtual D. Hey, y'all crazy, bro. I'm about to bang that shit, though. Let me get that going on Bitcoin going. These niggas. That's why I rock with y'all. Y'all funny, man. Y'all be having it lit in here. Y'all be having it lit in here. I'm just answering questions right now.
Hey. Chop. Hey, a nigga going off the Bitcoins.
We need to get 1,000 likes too, so go run that shit up. What's up?
You can even see the history of my flight plan. Think you wanna talk big, but I build in. Who can build a community of 500 M's? Who can really be a chief? What you talking about? We be running royalty in a golden house, but I still get it popping in a trade house. Trade house made like We can trade, but they money.
Hey, nigga, wait till y'all see the customer. It's about to be hella lit. Y'all about to, it's about to be hella lit.
Fuck with your seed money. Test my fire wall, that's what you not touching. Quarters round me in, quarters know I got the budget. Triangulate your IP
If y'all see Tyllionaire OG in any weed shop, take a picture and motherfucking call me. Nigga, that's that exclusive shit. That's that big money weed, nigga.
Hey, defense, hit her with that deep end. Market paid like 40 for the frequent. Need that double up, popping for the seats, man. Blame big, 100 generations deep, yeah. Fuck the brainwash, just a brainwash. Don't explain.
Where you guys from in the chat? Let me know. Rep your city right now in the chat. What's good?
If you wanna partner up, then we probably see eye to eye. I don't think that you wanna try. Send them drones in the sky, send them coast to the right, send them coast to the left. Bankroll gon' fly, bankroll gon' boom. Out of fold with the dough, the bag always moving. Any, mini, money, mo. Hot pocket with the flow, you got the rock.
And when y'all emailing me, y'all need to be direct and get straight to the fucking point. Like, for real, for real.
Playing in the world, we don't play it by the books. Chess moves probably get A by a rook. Chef in the kitchen with your head in the pudding. Seek money playing hide and go seek. Never seen shit if you never could see. Peek, everybody wanna take a peek. You can show your cards, me I just read. Moving and I'm moving and I'm moving.
Nashville and this bitch was good. Hey, I'm rocking with that. What's good? Arizona and this bitch was good. Okay, Nabi and this shit was good. Hey, West LA Sloss and this bitch was good. I see you. What's good? Bakersfield, what's good? Jackrabbit Lane, are you from Long Beach? What's good? Bahamas in here. Trey. Hey, okay. Look, y'all know how the motherfucker go though. I'm about to get off this joint, man. Appreciate everybody for rocking with me, man. Appreciate all y'all for rocking with me, man. It was lit. Like I said, I don't know. I'm gonna fix the stream. I'm gonna get it back cracking. I don't know what it, because like I said, I use Restream when I stream, so it allows me to do my multi-streaming, so I can stream on Facebook, Twitch, or wherever, you know, through the Restream, and we can move it like that. Bitcoin is up like, you know, $30 from that 1996 from that demand zone right now. It's gonna float around that 10.1 to 10.3 area all today until it really is about to get cracking. But yeah, respectively, you can definitely build trade gang in your city. You know what I mean? The only way on trade gang is to learn how to trade and withdraw, you know, and that's the culture right there. So definitely you want to start building your city. Once we get to the city, then it's like, oh man, I come to the city, you guys already got trade gang, you know, wherever you from there. Like I said, it's easy to build out there, and this is how you duplicate. The only way you build is like this. You can start your own shit, you know, in the different, you know, different hoods, different areas and shit like that. But the only way on is to trade and withdraw. If they can't trade and withdraw, they better not be screaming trade game. All right, but I'm out this bitch, man. It's your boy T. Boom, let's get it.